Welcome to the desert, a land of extremes. Relentless sun, scorching temperatures, and an ever-present thirst for water. Here, life struggles to survive, but amidst this harsh environment, a silent sentinel thrives into the extraordinary world of desert survival, focusing on one of nature's most remarkable creations, the cactus. But how does this seemingly simple plant endure such brutal conditions? Today we unlock the secrets of cactus survival, a testament to nature's remarkable ingenuity. Water is the desert's most precious commodity, and cacti are the ultimate conservationists. Their thick, waxy skin acts as a natural barrier, repelling the sun's rays and minimizing water loss through evaporation. Think of it as a tiny raincoat, keeping precious moisture locked inside. Unlike most plants with water-guzzling leaves, cacti have adapted spines. But these spiny arms aren't just for defense. They also help reduce surface area, further minimizing water loss. But what about the water they do manage to capture? Cacti are like living water tanks. Their modified stems, called succulents, can expand and contract depending on water availability. This allows them to store water for extended dry periods, acting as a personal oasis in the desert. Water scarcity demands a resourceful approach. Cacti have developed a two-pronged root system to maximize water uptake. Shallow spreading roots lie in wait for any fleeting rain showers near the surface. These quick-acting roots allow the cactus to take advantage of even the smallest amount of water before it evaporates. But that's not all. Cacti also boast a deep taproot that can reach down into the earth, searching for hidden reserves of groundwater. This dual strategy ensures they can exploit water sources at all levels, making them desert water wizards. Across generations, indigenous cultures have revered the cactus for its myriad uses, from traditional medicines to spiritual ceremonies. The cactus is woven into the fabric of desert life, a symbol of resilience and adaptation. The harsh desert sun poses a significant challenge for photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy. Most plants perform this during the day, but in the desert, peak temperatures coincide with peak sunlight. That's a recipe for disaster. Cacti kind of plants of arid regions that doing function called crassulacean acid metabolism, CAM, is a photosynthetic adaptation to periodic water supply, which close their stomata during the day to minimize water loss through transpiration and take up CO2 at night when the air temperature is lower. At night, when temperatures are cooler and humidity is higher, they open their stomata. This allows them to take in carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. But at a time when water loss is minimized, this incredible adaptation allows cacti to thrive even in the most scorching deserts. In the timeless struggle for survival, the cactus remains a beacon of hope in the desert wilderness, a testament to nature's resilience and the enduring spirit of life against all odds.